Yeah, I came to know through Instagram,
Okay.
as most of them do. Yeah, yeah, like mocks are definitely the first, and then I would say recall sessions, but then also classes are much important for me, I think, because yeah, it gave me a lot more knowledge as I've already mentioned. Yeah, I would say these three. First, these are the mocks, which is a definite thing because from these, like almost 90 to 95% questions are matched.
Hello, so I'm just Preet from Academically, and I'm welcoming Purnima Alla, who has just cleared the KAPS exam. Many, many congratulations, Purnima.
Hi, Jaspreet. Thank you so much for your wishes.
So, how are you feeling? What is happening? What are the plans? How are you planning to celebrate?
It's great, but nothing planned on how to celebrate it. But then, yeah, we are happy, and the family is happy to know this. To know this, I have achieved this achievement. Yeah, and still more to be able to registered as a pharmacist in Australia. But I know this is the milestone to be able to do all that, and I thank academically for that because with you being able to guide me and I was able to do all of this, and as a working woman, yeah, your support is taken a much part in my success. Yeah, and I thank you for that.
Thank you so much for such lovely words. But plans must have been made for, the exam preparation and even for choosing this thing. So, how did you get into this, first of all?
Yeah, I came to know through Instagram,
Okay.
as as most of them do. Yeah, and I came to know the Akram's video, and then I have made an appointment through the website, and then I've got connected through the program manager, and how it went off, and how it turned out to be like this now. Yeah,
Okay, so you started with a one-on-one counseling session first.
yeah. It's started with the
Awesome.
counseling session. Yeah.
Awesome. And how did you like the course?
Yeah, it's good. It's pretty organized and it's pretty neat. And even a post student can make a good excellence in the subject. They have made it like that. And apart from the exam point of view, they have given me a like more points on the other points as well. Like they have made me to learn a lot apart from the exam. Yeah, I agree. Exam point is much better, but then even for the intern oral exam, yeah, they have made few more things clear. Yes. Yeah,
So,
that's it.
what was your first reaction when you saw the exam?
Yeah, in India it was released at 4, right? And I woke up at 5:30. I was a little sleepy, but then yeah, we were happy, and that's how I've messaged everyone. And yeah, that's how it went.
Yeah, absolutely. But the exam, right? When you saw when you were attempting the exam, so it must have been like, "Ki, acha, theek hai, okay. This percentage of the questions, this is like I have
Yeah,
done already." Like, so was there
yeah,
a wave of confidence gushing through you?
yeah. It definitely did after I have completed my paper one. I have completed my paper one a little early. I didn't
Okay,
took
how
much.
much time did it take?
I know I came out of the I came out within 1 hour. I know it might be too much, but I've completed all of 100 questions in 1 hour. I have
Awesome.
completed in, yeah, 40 minutes, and then I've rechecked every question in another 20 minutes, and then I came out. Yeah, after that I realized, yeah, many of the questions are from the mocks, and yeah, it definitely gave me the confidence to revise every calculations, every formulas for the paper two as well. And yeah, paper two was also good because all of the calculations were discussed in the class, and yeah, it was easy to do all of them. Yeah.
So choosing between the mock tests, the live sessions, and the recall sessions, what would you pick? Like, what did you like the best? What helped you the most, and what is something that you're gonna miss a lot?
Yeah, like mocks are definitely the first, and then I would say recall sessions, but then also classes are much important for me, I think, because yeah, it gave me a lot more knowledge as I've already mentioned. Yeah, I would say these three. First, these are the mocks, which is a definite thing because from these, like almost 90 to 95% questions are matched, and then through recall sessions where we can learn a few more concept revise, so then I could answer like 5 to 10% of questions, and then yeah, and then classes which we really need for detailed understanding of the concept. Yeah, I would say these three played important.
Absolutely, and we are here celebrating you
Yeah.
clearing the exam. Thank
Yeah,
you
you're
so
much.
much. Purnima, your
Yeah,
words have been so kind and so positive.
yeah. Thank you, Jasprit, and thank you all for arranging this. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much for joining us, Purnima, and we wish you all the very, very best.
Thank you, Jasprit.